this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 Canadian employers that are currently recruiting international workers down to Canada. If you know you are in any country, Nigeria, India, Ghana, South Africa, and so on, and you want to relocate down to Canada, this is an opportunity for you. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can download the application form, how to fill it, and how you can go about submitting it. I'm just going to be using one company to explain to you how to fill the application form, and you can easily navigate the other companies yourself. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Mimi, and on this platform, I share updates about visa sponsorship opportunities in different countries. It can help you to relocate to UK, Canada, Australia, USA, and so on. If you are looking for a platform where you can get solid updates, free updates, go ahead, connect with me here on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right in. Face Personnel is the very first company I will be sharing with you, and mind you, I'm only going to be filling the application form for only Face Personnel because I don't want this video to be too long. So Face Personnel, I've been in place and been recruiting international workers down to Canada for over 15 years now. They have in-depth experience in childcare, elder care, and home care sectors. So if you are looking for opportunity in Canada, make sure you grab all this opportunity. You can see on your screen, in accordance to Canadian law, we do not charge recruitment fee to caregivers. So the very first thing you want to do on how to apply is to fill the application form, as you can see boldly written on your screen. Application form. Fill out your application form. The next thing, which is the second thing, is assessment. They said give our team some time to assess your application. So which the third one is your interview. They will contact you for your interview. If you know you want to apply, click on application form right there. If you click on it, it will bring you down to this section where you're going to be filling application form for caregivers outside Canada. So the very first one is your personal information, your first name, your middle name, and your gender, your date of birth, your nationality, your citizen, where you are currently, put it right there. So I'm going to be filling this application for you because it's kind of tricky. The next stage are kind of tricky, so I'm going to be filling out for you. This is the only one I'm going to be filling. The other 2 companies, I'm just going to show you the company, then you can easily navigate the website yourself. So put your name, your first name, your last name on that section, and your gender, pick your gender, your nationality, the country you are currently, that you are a national of that country. So maybe you are in Nigeria currently, that is your nationality. Put Nigeria in that section. If you are in Ghana, Kenya, Indian, anywhere you are, pick the one that best fits you in that section and put it in there. So I'll just scroll up to look for Nigeria, right? Because I'm filling this application form as a Nigerian, not person that is in the UK. So I just pick Nigeria in that section. Then this next section says, please upload a photo of yourself. So you are going to be uploading a photo of yourself. Make sure that you are uploading a picture that is really clear. Then I just pick a random picture on my phone and put it there, right? So the next stage is your email address. Please make sure you are putting a very well detailed email address and something that is really active, that they are going to reach out to you, you are going to easily see it. So I just put the email address in that section. Then you're going to retype the email address to be sure that is accurately and well corrected. So if you are done with that, move to your phone number. If you are going to be putting your phone number, make sure you put your country code in front of it for it to be easy for them to reach out to you. If you are in Nigeria, put your country code in front of your phone number. You are in Ghana, any country you are, make sure you put your country code, right? They said referred by, you should put the full name of the person that referred you. Just put not applicable in that section. You don't need to put a phone number, right? Just move to the next thing. The next stage there is your date of birth, your month, the year, then your marital status. If you are single, married, divorced, whichever one, put it in that section. Then the next thing you have to do is, do you have children? Yes or no? Your driver's license. Do you have any criminal record? Once you are done filling that in, click on next, cross-check everything and click on next, move to the next section. The next section is your education. Then it's asking you if you are a college graduate. If you are not, put no. If you are, put yes. How many years is your college program? Pick how many years that are best fit for you. And if you know, you click on no. You don't need to pick anything, just move to the next stage, right? I just pick 5 years or more. You can pick anything. I'm just using this as an example for you to understand what each section really means. This is the only one I'm going to be filling for you. The next companies I'll be sharing, I'm not going to be filling the form. So you can easily navigate those ones yourself, because I don't want this video to be too long, right? So I just pick nursing in that section. Then once you are done doing that, the next thing you have to do is how many credit do you have in your education or your college program. If you pick no, you don't need to fill this as well. So I just go ahead to pick 72 to 100 in that section. Then it asks if you have a license as a nurse. If you are a licensed nurse, if you are not, click on no. If you are, click on yes. How many have you completed a 6 month full-time caregiver program? If you have, click on yes. If you have not, click on no. This 6 month program can be auxiliary nurse. Click on next once you are done. Once you click on next, it will take you to this work experience. This is where you're going to be booking your work experience, total of years that you have worked as a caregiver. So if you have worked as a caregiver before, how long have you been doing it? If it's 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, put it in that section. How many employers have you worked with ever as a caregiver? If it's two, if it's one, pick it in that section. Number of years working for your current employer. So if you are currently working as a caregiver, how long have you been working for that employer? What does your current contract, I mean, when does your current contract end? So where you are working right now, do you have a contract with them? When is it ending? Or are you currently available? Just pick anyone that best fits for you in that section. Then this next one, in your current contract, are you caring for? Who are you caring for? I just pick everything, like a family with children, an elderly person, a disabled person. Then this section they said write what you do. Like this when you're just going to be having a breakdown of what you do. So I just write like three example for you so you understand what to put there. I just wrote as assisting patients with personal care, helping and assisting with shopping, out outside activities and all that. Just pick, you know what caregivers do. Just put everything that best fits for you in that section that is going to be perfectly relatable to the question they ask, right? That's what you should just put in that section. Once you are done putting it, make sure you cross check everything correctly and make sure it's correct. Most importantly, your phone number, your email address, because that is where they are going to be reaching you on. So make sure everything is well detailed and correct. Once you are done doing this, click on next or go to the next section. This next section, have you ever worked in any other country other than your current country? So if you have worked in Nigeria, have you worked in any other country? I just pick no because this person I'm filling for still remains in Nigeria, right? So I just pick no and click on next. So once you click on no and you move to the next stage, this next stage is like the fifth or the fourth step, right? Is asking that take have you been taking care of new babies? If you have experience in that section, I click on yes. Taking care of toddlers, yes. Taking care of preschool, yes. Take care of grade scholars, supervising children. Any experience in taking care of twins, taking care of elderly, taking care of elderly with special needs. I just pick yes, yes, and next. This next section is additional information. English language skills speaking. So how fluent are you in speaking of English? If it's advanced, if it's medium, just pick anyone that best fits for you. Then this next one is your English language skills for comprehension. I pick advanced as well there. Do you have you take did you take an English language test such as IELTS and CLPI? So if you have, take pick yes. If you have not, pick no. Do you get an educational in Canada? If no, pick no. If that person has an education in Canada, have you ever applied to Canada before? I pick no because the person have not. Do you have any known medical condition? I pick no because the person did not have. Anyone that best fits for you, please pick it. Are you willing to live with your employer's home? If yes, click yes. Can you care for dogs, cats? If yes, pick yes. If no, pick no. Right? This next section now is asking that what are the cooking skill you have? Can you cook? Put it in that section, the one that best fits for you. And this next section as well is asking if you have a religion service you attend. If you attend church, put it there, how many times you attend church. And are you willing to work overtime? If yes, pick yes. If no, pick no. Are you willing? If I were you, I will pick yes for everything because let me just get the job first. Then just pick everything. Then this is the consent letter that they are going to do some check on your personal details and all that. If you agree with it, click on I agree to the terms and condition and click on I'm not a robot and submit. Once you are done submitting, you are going to receive like a thank you for your application. Our team is going to reach out to you or anything. So this is how you can fill that first one. The next one I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm not going to be filling the form. You are going to be navigating their website yourself. So this particular one, it is called Caregivers for You. Caregivers for You is a platform where employers go to search for caregivers. So you have to be on the database if you want to get a job on the platform. So if you scroll through Care for You have been in place for a very long time, and they have been recruiting international workers as well. You can see this website was designed to help you organize the process of hiring foreign caregiver. A foreign caregiver. Hiring a foreign caregiver helps you organize the process of hiring foreign caregiver, who contact, where to go, how to proceed, what's the process hiring caregiver, how to reduce all the accordance of rules and regulation, blah blah blah. So if you read through this website, you understand better. So if you know you want to be on the database so any employer can easily see you, I'm going to show you an example on how it feels or how it looks when your name is on the database. So if you scroll to the top now, if you scroll to the top, you will see foreign workers database. If any employer click on that database, they are going to see every foreign employer that has registered with this company to for the details. So if you want to put your name here, you can see all these names. You can see Prince, Nwanko, the person is in Canada. You can see another person, James, is in Israel. You can see another person is in Indian. So you are going to, if you register on this platform now, you can put your country where you are, what you are willing to do, just like every other person has done. So if you want to put your name on that database, all you need to do, scroll to the top and click on join us, just like so. If you click on join us, you will see the registration details by your left hand side. You can see there, put your name, your email address, phone number, confirm and continue. You should be able to navigate it. I'm not going to be filling it because I don't want this video to be too long. So just make sure you navigate that platform to register your name. The last but not the least is Paragon Personnel Limited. Paragon Personnel Limited has been in place for over 41 years in Canada, and they've been recruiting overseas workers, nannies, caregivers, and so on. So on this platform, if you want to get a job, it's very easy and straightforward. So all you just need to do, I would advise you to read about them, to read about what they do on their platform and how you can easily get a job on their platform. Because like I mentioned, I'm not going to be filling the form because I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm going to show you some important tricks on how you can easily navigate the platform. So if you scroll to the top or you scroll down, you are going to see everything on there. You can see excellence of service for 41 years from 1980 to 2021. They are still in service. This particular award was given to them in 2021. So if you know you are looking for how to get a job in Canada, this is one of the best platforms. So if you know you want to apply, click on find a learning job arrow. Once you click on it, you click on foreign learning requirements. Click on foreign learning requirement. That's what you should click on, right? If you click on that foreign learning requirement, it will bring you to this section where you're going to see everything, every detail you need to know. We already know all these things before. Fill your application form, get a job offer, just the same thing. So if you read through all these things and you scroll up, you will see get started now. Don't click on that get started now yet, because we need to get their email address. Once you click on that get started, you will see the application form. So get the email address first. So if you scroll to the last part now, you scroll down, you will see this section, you will see their email address, info@paragon slash or dash personnel.com, right? That's their email address. Just copy that email address and keep it somewhere, because we want to go and download the form. If you go and download the form now, you might not be able to see that email address easily again. So just copy that email address somewhere and keep it there, save. So now once you are done doing that, go back up and go and click on that get started now. If you click on it, it will bring you to this application form that you're going to be filling. So this form now, you can see how it is, just the same thing we fill on that other one. So you're just going to be filling the form. For you to fill this form, you can use docs to fill your form. You can print it out and fill it out and go and scan it back, whichever one that is best okay for you. So if you want to save this form, click on that arrow up here. If you click on it, just scroll to your phone and see save to file. Then you can easily save that application form to file. You can fill this out on your laptop, on your system, on your phone, whichever one. And once you are done filling the form, submit it back to them on their email address and you are good to go. That's basically how you can apply for this opportunity. Don't forget to fill in your application form correctly. And at this point, if you haven't give this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to give this video a thumbs up. Before you forget, hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss any upcoming updates, guys. All you just need to do, search those companies' name on your browser and apply with them accordingly on their website, just the way I've explained to you in this video. You can easily connect with me on my social media, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. I'm on Mimi GM on all social media platforms. Stay beautiful, stay fabulous, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.